This short girl forgot to film an intro, so I'm in charge now. Let's see what she was up to for a few days in November.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Now, back to December.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you know me, my name is Innocentia. Welcome to another video. This is my cousin Zainab. Yeah. Okay guys, so today me and Zainab are going to be cooking and we're going to be baking. But the cooking is basically done because Zainab is impatient and she has a cooking fetish. So yeah, we're going to be baking a good young carrot cake today. Hi guys! So my cousin is very semi-awkward. Like my cousin is very awkward.
Yeah, very.
So don't even mind it. She's gonna sizzle down over the camera. This is just an icebreaker for her. I'm gonna tie my hair up nicely because as much as I love the hair, it's a lot. And I don't like a lot while I'm baking, cooking. If you know how my last baking went, you know how my last baking went. But Zainab is here. Zainab can cook and Zainab can bake. So we're gonna start by grating stuff. And we're putting apples in the carrot cake. And my cousin here loves apples. My cousin loves apples.
Right.
I love apples and Zainab hates them because I love them. So we're gonna put apples in the carrot cupcakes. You heard that right. But yeah, let us get this grind on.
Guys, I'm back. It's me. I'm never
My
gone.
smoke is back.
Okay, so we're gonna use this and I'm gonna open it in front of you guys so you guys see what's inside the box. It's a nice box though. So, oh, okay. We have the carrot
So
cake.
many memes from China.
So we got a carrot cake, pineapple, plum. Everything that's mixed inside. Like this is, oh yeah. Like, so that's what we got from the box. The palm thing.
The pulp. Hey guys, so we're gonna do a taste test now. This is what they look like, glazed and beautiful. They didn't raise though.
Wow, wow, wow. Oh, linen. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh. This is nice.
We taste that, that's an apple for real.
Eh?
You want some?
No.
You want some? You want some? So we're gonna go eat because we're hungry. Thank you so much for baking with us. I'm gonna see you guys in the next part of this vlog. Hey guys. So basically, we're on our way to the farm. We're in the car now. Where's our farm?
Travis. It's like by, as you're going to Swakop, but you're going with the road, the farm road.
This is currently, we're still in Karibab now. I don't know how long the trip is. I'm just gonna sit down, man. Read a book. That's all I do.
I'm not just gonna listen to music.
You will see the road. You will see the dirt road. Then you will see the farm after that. Hey guys, so I'm about to take a nap. Actually, I just wanted to say hi and tell you guys, yeah, I'm at the farm now. As you can see, we have landed. I think we came around 1 and it is now 3:25, something like that, 3:26. Everybody's settled, everybody's just chilling, and I'm gonna take a nap while I listen to some good music. Stop looking at my toes. Stop looking at my toes. Anyways guys, so yeah, the farm is really quiet, the farm is really chill. I think we're gonna go tomorrow. So I think we need to do some fun stuff today, but I think everybody's also tired. I am also tired, so I'm gonna take a nap. You know me, I don't like naps. I might just lie down and listen to music or whatever, but this wind is nice. I'm sleeping by the window. The wind is nice. The only thing is that we forgot the mosquito coils, so like we're lucky gonna die and get bitten by mosquitoes tonight. And in Karibov it's bad. And at the farm it's bad already. The mosquitoes are biting in the daytime. So my outfit was very chill. My trusty old grey long straight leg sweatpants, and then this top that I got from my cousin, a black ribbon, and then obviously this nice black shoes that I like to wear. Don't look at my toes. That's the outfit. I'm gonna sleep in this actually. I already took a bath before I came here. So yeah guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to say, girl. Hi guys, so basically we are back now. We went to Oma's farm, but now we're back at our farm. I had spicy borscht with sauce and eggs and bread this morning, and ever since then all I ate was what? Drink a Powerade, drink Fanta again, ate spicy Dorito chips, and then yeah, those things are basically working in my stomach right now, and I should have just stuck to my Powerade. But am I going to go and drink Fanta again?
Yes.
Do I like to struggle?
Yes.
That's it guys for the vlog today. I'm literally gonna go to bed. Am I going to read a book? I literally bought a book. Like I brought a book to read. I'll probably just take aesthetic pictures of that book. I'm being honest with you. I'm not gonna read that book. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna read. I've been watching my vlogs. I'm going to watch a vlog and go to sleep tonight. I'm not really that tired now, but I'm exhausted from the day. So yeah. Zainab is nodding her head. Zainab's eyes are half closed. She's gone already. It's just the hunger that's keeping her awake. But anyways, guys, that's it from me. I will check you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night. one is Zainab got stung by a wasp on her butt. And we have to go pick up the meat because it's only us here. So yeah. Malik is like triple decking himself so he doesn't get stung because he has to go. The meat is like directly by the wasp. Matter of fact, it's around the wasp. No, it's not even around. It's in the wasp nest.
We're done. We're done. Don't go that side. Come, enjoy. Yeah, guys. I can't even walk properly. The wasp is. I think I made them too angry. And then one just decided, let's make plans. Let's distract them. And I bite. I stink. Whatever. But guys, thumbs up to Maliki with his outfit. Yeah.
We're about to go back to Karibab now. Me and Zainab are just looking like
The Kagagura ladies come. I don't know what they're.
I hope you guys like this vlog. Ever since I landed in Karibab, Zainab has been forcing me to vlog.
Yes, guys. I've been wanting this girl to vlog because I watch her vlogs. So, yeah. Apparently, her brother said I look clean. Do I always look dirty, guys?
Yeah. Hey.
Christmas Day.
Hey guys, welcome to the end of the vlog. If you guys, happy. Wait, what am I saying? Merry late Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching the vlog up until this extent. I appreciate you, I love you, and I wish you a prosperous year. I wish that all of your New Year's resolutions come through. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you know when I post, because this girl is off of TikTok and this girl is off of Instagram for the first month of 2026. Yeah, this is the most recent Sencha that you're seeing. It is the 2nd of January. This vlog is probably gonna take 14 hours to upload, but don't worry, babe, I've got you. December was a fun month. I enjoyed spending time with family. I enjoyed spending time with friends. This was a hectic school year. I hope you're more excited for a more hectic school year, because this girl is going to grade 11, period. I just miss you guys. I love you guys. I thank you guys for supporting me even when I take break. I appreciate you guys. Bottom line. Stay tuned for the next vlog. I will see you guys soon. Toodles.